Hello workout buddies, we have come to the final day of the 21-day ab challenge. It was a really intense journey and thank you so much for joining the journey with me. In this video, I'm going to share with you the foods that I eat to maintain tummy flat, my deep Loden smoothie, and some diet tips to help you maintain your gains. If you tried the 21-day ab challenge, share your progress on our Instagram community page to motivate and inspire everyone. It doesn't matter if you achieved your dream body yet or not. Share your progress can help motivate you and everyone. My tip number one is allow yourself to make mistakes. Like many mistakes during the progress. Try the foods you like and see how they react to your digestive system because we are all different. For me, a high carb diet can cause heavy bloating, but I do need carbs to fuel my workout session. The hardest thing is try to balance everything. So on the legs and booty day, I consume more healthy carbs like spaghetti, breads, beans, nuts. And on the abs day, I chose low carb diets like avocado, sweet potato, quinoa, rice, and a lot of vegetables. I've got a lot of questions from you guys asking how many calories should I eat before and after workout, how much protein is enough and how much fat is enough. I highly recommend you to take this short course nutrition masterclass on Skillshare to learn about everything you need to build a perfect diet and meal plan for your body type, your fitness level. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of useful courses for your career and your interests. Invest 3 hours in this course and you will have those knowledge for the rest of your life. Take good care of yourself better. Just use the link in the description box down below to get the access to that course for free in the first 2 months trial. Besides that, you can also learn other courses like complete diet guides, meal planning masterclass. Invest in your health and your body will thank you for that. Upcoming next, I'm going to share with you my deep Loden smoothie. It's quite simple and easy with a few ingredients. Banana is so good for your digestive system. Avocado can fill your stomach with healthy protein. Berries for the vitamin essentials. Hemp seeds and nuts are the fibers that clean your gut. Add in spinach for more fiber and calcium. I use organic soy milk. You can also use yogurt or other plant-based milk. It tastes really good and we have all nutrition in one jar. Other flat tummy meal is also very simple. Boiled egg, sweet potato, some veggies. I don't eat too much deep fried food. If you are strictly on a diet to lose weight, my advice is just to stay away from deep fried food, which are mostly fast food. And of course, more fruit. I feel like I can eat fruit all day. Besides its benefits, it's easy to digest. Fruit gives your digestive system a break from over-processed food. If you are not a fruit lover, try other foods like corn, salads. Make sure you don't starve yourself just because you want to have a flat tummy because it's not worth it. Just eat the right food with the right portion. That's it for today everyone. I hope you found any useful tips in this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Motivating you guys to stay fit and healthy is the main goal of this channel, and of course we will keep exercising regularly. So if you have any questions or any diet tips, just share them in the comment section down below and we will learn from your tips. Thank you so much for watching guys. Enjoy your day and I'll see you in my next workout challenge. Bye.